Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you the remaining phylums of Non-Chordata. Fifth phylum, Aschelminthes. Ascus means sac. Heliminth means worm. So it is called Aschelminthes. The body is long, cylindrical, thread-like, circular in cross-section. Hence are called roundworm. Parasitic. Few are free-living. The parasitic forms living in body fluids of the host. Example, Ascaris. They are triploblastic, means made up of 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Bilaterally symmetrical, means divided into 2 equal parts. Pseudo-coelomate, means false coelom is present. Tube within tube, body plan is present. That is, complete digestive system present. Body is covered by tough resistant cuticle. It gives protection against the enzyme of host. Body wall consists longitudinal muscles, circular muscles absent, alimentary canal complete, with mouth and anus at opposite ends. Pharynx is muscular and well developed. Excretion takes place by canals or gland cells. Excretory products are eliminated through excretory pore. Nervous system made up of nerve ring and nerves. They are unisexual, that is, sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They show the sexual dimorphism. Example, Ascaris. See the figure. The body is long, cylindrical. Here, the male Ascaris is shorter than the female Ascaris. It is 8 cm in length. The female Ascaris is 10 cm in the length. The posterior end is curved. Observe this curved end. Here, the posterior end is straight. In male Ascaris, the posterior end consists the pineal city, while in female Ascaris, the pineal city is absent. This is the difference between the sexual characters of male and female Ascaris. Phylum Annelida. Annulus means ring. Example, Nereis, earthworm, leech. It is called ringworm. Animals are free-living, aquatic, boring. They show the bilateral symmetry with metameric segmentation. That is, the external segment of the body coincide with internal segment. It is a true coelomate. Tube within tube body plan is present. Triploblastic. In earthworm, a special region, clitellum, is present. It has special function. It is useful in the boring and cocoon formation. Locomotion with the help of longitudinal and circular muscle. Locomotion takes place by locomotory organs. there are three types of locomotory organs: city, parapodia, suckers. City present in earthworm. Observe the figure. In between the two segments, the circular ring-like structure is present, which is called the city, which is useful for the locomotion. In Nereis, locomotion takes place by parapodia. It is aquatic. The parapodia is useful for swimming purpose. In leech, the sucker is present. So observe these two suckers. One is a anterior sucker and one is the posterior sucker. They are hermaphrodites. Example, earthworm and leech. The ectoparasite like leech suck vertebrate blood. It is called songivorous. It is used for the medicinal purpose to remove toxic or infected blood. These are used during operation. The saliva of leech contains anticoagulant hirudin, which prevents clotting of blood. 7. Phylum Arthropoda. Arthos means joint and podos means leg. Example, cockroach, butterfly, scorpion, millipede, prawn, etc. It is the largest phylum. The animal have jointed appendages called arthropoda. Observe the figure of cockroach. See, the cockroach consists the jointed legs and wings. Legs are useful for walking and wings are useful for flying. Prawn. Prawn has walking legs, pleopods, body is bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, eucoelomate, metamerically segmented, tube within tube plan. Organ system level of organization present. Body is covered by tough non-living chitinous exoskeleton. Hence, they need periodic molting, which is called ecdysis. Body is divided into the head region, then thoracic region, and then abdominal region. Respiration takes place by gills, trachea, bug lungs, bug gills. These are respiratory organ. Excretion by green gland, Malpighian tubules. Nervous system is made up of nerve ring, double ventral, ganglionated nerve cord. The sense organs are well developed. It consists the compound eyes, antennae and various receptors. Economic importance of the arthropod. Arthropod gives honey, wax, lac, silkworm produces silk. Some arthropods are edible. For example, lobster, prawns and crabs. As well as some arthropods are harmful. For example, mosquito, centipede, crab, cockroach, spider, etc. Phylum Mollusca. Mollusk means soft. Example, pila, bivalve, octopus, sepia, chiton, pearl oyster. It includes soft body animals. It is the second largest phylum. They consist tube within tube plan. bilaterally symmetrical. Few are asymmetrical due to torsion, that is twisting. Example, pila. Body is divided into head, foot and visceral mass. Visceral mass enclosed in thick muscular fold of body wall called mantle. See the figure. Pila shows the asymmetrical body symmetry. It shows the head, foot and mantle. Mantle secretes the calcareous shell, which gives protection to the soft body. Shell may be external. Example, pila. It is internal or it is absent. Example, octopus. Buccal cavity has the rasping organ, which is called radula. Radula means tongue of mollusca. It is made up of the horny stripe. Respiration. In aquatic forms, respiration takes place by numerous gills, which is called tenadia. Gills are present in mantle cavity. In terrestrial form, respiration by lungs. Excretion by kidney, called organ of Bojanus. It consists sense organ, eye. Eyes is used for vision. Second sense organ is tentacles. Observe here the first tentacle, second tentacle. It is useful for the tactile sensation. The third important point is it consists the osphardia, which is useful for the testing of purity of water. The economic importance, that is the pearl oyster gives precious pearls. Many molluscans are edible. Shell of mollusca are rich source of calcium. Nine phylum Echinodermata. Echanos means spines. Derma means skin. Example, starfish, sea cucumber, sea urchin. They are exclusively marine, solitary, sedentary, free living. The animal shows radial symmetry with pentamerous arm. See the figure. This is a radial symmetry. And the 5 arms are present. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The body may be spherical. Example, sea urchin. It is elongated. Example, sea cucumber. Star-shaped. Example, brittle star or starfish. Endoskeleton is made up of calcareous ossicle. It consists special water vascular system with madreporite. See this madreporite, through which water enters. It is useful for, madreporite is useful for locomotion, food capturing, respiration, etc. Mouth is present ventrally on oral surface. Respiration is performed by peristomial gills, papillae, respiratory tree, etc. Circulatory and excretory system is absent. Nervous system is simple. It is made up of nerve ring and radial ring. Nerve ring present around the mouth and radial nerves are present in the arms. Phylum Hemichordata. Hemi means half and chordata means rod. Example, balanoglossus. It is a connecting link between non-chordate and chordates. Because it consists buccal diverticulum, considered as a notochord. These are exclusively marine. Animals live at the bottom of sea in burrows. Body is soft, vermiform, unsegmented. Body is divided into three parts: probaceous, collar and trunk. Buccal cavity consists rod-like buccal diverticulum, considered as a notochord. The alimentary canal is complete. It is straight or U-shaped. The respiration takes place by gills. See the figure. The gills are arranged in pharyngeal region in two longitudinal rows. Circulatory system simple and open. Excretion by glomerular. The sexes are separate. Fertilization external. Indirect development by free living larvae.